So before we get this guy too buttoned up, I wanted to show you a couple of tricks. This one was the first 3-chain that I did in the car. So I was a little paranoid, so I locked the cams on 1 through 3, both the intake and the exhaust. You can see this bar right here, right? And then we've put the tensioners back in because we've already got it done. But if you loosen up this oil pipe, there's a bolt here, this bolt here, a couple on the others, bolt on the bottom. You can see that you can actually use the pickup points for the engine to be able to support it. Otherwise, you're going to crush that tube. So if you're going to put something under there to hold the motor, you got to pull that out. Then over here, we lock this side cam just on the exhaust side. So with the 3-chain motor, the chains are super long, so I was a little hesitant to just lock the one. So I pulled out the other tool and locked both of them. And then here you can see we've got our fitting installed for the oil. And this will all we'll figure out if we're going to tighten it up or move it once the sway bar is back in here and all the other parts. But right now everything looks pretty good. Just don't want it to rub on this hose. We don't want to abrade the hose. So we'll sort through that once we get everything back together. And there you can see the air filters, or oil filters installed. And we've got fitting going to it. So we got the chain tensioners on the bottom back in, but the rear main seal that we had, I did not like the way it fit, so I pulled it out and ordered another one. But we'll get that in tomorrow. And other than that, everything went according to plan. So if you have any questions, give us a call. IMS Solution. No more worries about the IMS bearing in this 3.6 liter Porsche M96 engine.